Most small YouTube channels don't have a views problem. They have a monetization problem. You don't need 100,000 subscribers to make money. You need positioning. So in this video, I'll show you 5 AI prompts that help you design income streams, even if your channel is small. Let's get into it. Normal creators use AI to generate content. Smart creators use AI to design offers. Views are attention. Monetization is strategy. Here's prompt number 1. Most beginners think, no subscribers equals no money. Wrong. This prompt forces AI to think realistically. Not brand deals, not sponsorship fantasies. Practical monetization for small channels. You don't need a course, you need something simple. Templates, prompt packs, checklists, mini guides, small products convert better for small audiences, and AI helps you brainstorm them fast. Most creators push random offers. That kills trust. This prompt makes AI align your content with your product, because monetization should feel natural, not desperate. Affiliate marketing only works when pain matches product. This prompt forces AI to think about audience problems, not just popular tools. That's the difference. You don't need a complicated funnel. Just video, lead magnet, simple offer. That's it. AI can structure this clearly. Monetization becomes intentional instead of random. This is exactly why structured prompts matter. Inside my 300+ YouTube prompt pack, there's an entire monetization section built specifically for small creators, not theory. Practical systems. If you want to turn attention into income, the link is in the description. If this helped you think differently about monetization, subscribe to AI Hustle Lab. I test AI strategies, so you don't waste time chasing hype. And remember, subscribers are numbers. Strategy is income. See you in the next video.